Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2022 Kawasaki Z650. This is the 50th anniversary edition, celebrating the introduction of the Z900 back in 1972. This twin-cylinder 650 has fuel injection, liquid cooling, only 550 miles. The bike is fantastic, showroom condition, and it's got that early 80s paint scheme. We also have the commemorative book that Kawasaki gave with this bike about the Z series, and that comes with it for only $82.99. Come on down, make your naked sport bike dreams come true with this awesome Z650. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Did I mention ABS brakes? Thank you for Contra Costa Powersports.